Here now I am going to discuss electric field due to dipole. Number one, at any point on axis. Here minus q charge plus q charge are placed at point A and B. The midpoint of dipole is O. Actually, distance of dipole from any point is measured from the midpoint. This distance to A, so this is A, this is A. Now, to find electric field at P, we find field due to plus Q charge. We know electric due to point charge Q and distance R is equal to, we have learned in the magnitude of electric field due to point charge Q distance R Q upon R square. We will use this thing. So field due to plus Q charge at P is given by E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square sorry R minus A whole square. This distance R, this is A, and I write here P cap, a unit vector. P cap is a unit vector. From negative to positive, or you can say or along dipole moment P के along है. So and E2 vector E2 यानी कि field due to minus Q charge at P, it will be again 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 minus Q upon R plus A whole square. Again P cap. So minus sign indicates it is opposite to P cap indicate opposite to electric field. So total field at P, total electric field at P is equal to E1 plus E2. Indicate is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 or 1 upon R minus A whole square or minus 1 upon R plus A whole square or P cap. Here LCM will be how much? R square minus A square whole square. So this E equal to here Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R epsilon 0 LCM R square minus A square whole square divided by this, we will get this R square plus A square plus 2AR minus this whole square R square minus A square plus 2AR P cap. P cap unit vector along the direction of dipolement of this dipole, or you can say from negative to positive, or E equal to these two get cancelled. So I write here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2AQ into 2R 2 to 4 upon R square minus A square whole square P cap. If on left hand side is vector, then left side vector, right hand side should also be shown vector. 2AQ. What is 2AQ? P. But here or E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2P. 2PR into P cap upon R square minus A square whole square. Since P cap, unit vector P cap from negative to positive, and dipole moment has also direction same, so we can write it also as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2 vector PR upon P cap into P actually. P dot P cap become P. Actually, a unit vector along any vector. Suppose A cap is unit vector along vector A. Then A cap is equal to vector A upon modulus A का मतलब A. So A cap into A is equal to vector A. So I have done this thing. R square minus A square whole square. Please try to remember such formula. And if R much greater than A, then E will be how much? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 to P upon R cube will be left only. A square can take power 4, R square power 4 into R. If you have to calculate electric field only, then you can write these two formulas as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 to PR upon R square minus A square whole square. When you will write this thing, when you are calculating the magnitude of electric field. At far point, when R is greater than A, then E equal to magnitude of electric field 1 upon 4 to P upon R cube. Our students have very poor calculation. A teacher in one seminar was, you see, very much worried about how to teach students. They don't know how to multiply 0.1 into 0.1. I asked him, will you tell, अगर 0.1 क्यूब है, इसको आप क्या लिखते हैं? तो इसको 0.001 है. 3 के बाद हमें लगाया इसको 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 to the second cube. Power to the power multiplied 10 to the power minus 3. You can write like this. The calculation part is improved only when you apply the calculation. So it was the electric field. The point, if I take point P here, instead of this place I take P, then direction of E किधर आएगा? Direction of P. Direction of P again, because it will be stronger than this electric field, this E2 will be stronger than E1. So field direction on axis will be the same and will be along dipole moment. Actually, 1 year question was asked, at which point electric field due to dipole is parallel to its dipole moment. At which points electric field due to dipole is parallel to its dipole moment. And there was lot of cry. When this question came, I was happy. That question has been asked according to my opinion. But the whole country was in trouble. There was question in parliament. His paper was very tough. Actually, Peta, please don't go that way. You must have the hobby of solving difficult problems or doing the task which others cannot do. You should have this hobby, the work which cannot be by someone. I can do that. Now, next video, I'll take